So, are your documents can suddenly showing up way too large after the iOS 26 update? Don't worry, I will walk you through some quick fixes. So you can see I scanned a document and noticed the file size was huge. And here's the trick, and I will use the same image to demonstrate. So first you have to open up your Notes app, and from a new note just tap the attachment icon and select scan documents. Just quickly change the setting from auto to manual so you can adjust it yourself. And from the top you will see a filter option, and if you don't need a color version, since color files are larger, so you can switch to grayscale, then scan your documents, just crop it as needed and save it. After that, go to the Files app and open the info and compare the file sizes, and you will notice after changing some settings, the scanned file is much smaller. And that's how you can scan documents like this with a lower file size. Hope this guide helped, and thanks for watching.